Can high-protein diets improve BMI for men? Many men today aim to manage their weight and enhance body composition effectively. One growing approach is the high-protein diet, often linked to better muscle retention, fat loss, and improved body mass index, BMI. But how exactly does eating more protein affect BMI for men? Here is a concise overview of how this dietary method works and what to consider before adopting it. 1. What is a high-protein diet? A high-protein diet focuses on consuming more protein than the standard recommended intake, generally around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. It emphasizes foods like eggs, lean meats, fish, beans, tofu, and dairy. The goal is to fuel muscles, increase satiety, and enhance metabolism. 2. How protein helps improve BMI. Protein impacts BMI in several key ways. Boosts metabolism. Protein requires more energy to digest, slightly increasing calorie burn through a process called the thermic effect. Reduces fat storage. By keeping you fuller longer, it helps lower overall calorie intake and supports fat loss. Preserves lean muscle. During weight loss, protein protects muscle tissue so that most of the reduction comes from fat, leading to a healthier BMI. Together, these effects can help men achieve a lower BMI without sacrificing muscle tone or energy levels. 3. Protein and exercise work best together. For men, combining a high-protein diet with regular strength or resistance training enhances results. Exercise uses protein to build and repair muscles, improving strength and redefining body composition. This synergy often leads to a better BMI, as muscle weighs more but contributes to a leaner, more defined physique. 4. Things to watch out for. While beneficial, a high-protein diet should be balanced. Too much animal-based protein can increase saturated fat intake. It's smart to include plant-based sources like lentils, quinoa, and soy for a healthier balance. Staying hydrated also helps kidneys process extra protein efficiently. A high-protein diet can indeed help improve BMI for men by supporting fat loss, preserving muscle, and increasing metabolism. When combined with regular exercise and balanced nutrition, it becomes an effective, sustainable way to reach a healthier body composition. As with any diet, moderation and variety are key to lasting results. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.